I'm just making this video really quick to explain why dividing fractions works. Because I know they never taught it to me in school and I didn't get it. So, and I also figured out why we got that answer we did when we did that. So, I'm going to show you with my piece of papers 1/2 divided by 3/8. And so, the normal version is we just flip the second and multiply. So, we're going to try it with the paper, and then I'll go back and do this too. So, I have two lovely pieces of papers here. Ta-da! You can see, maybe I should cut one in half. Hold on. And voila! Okay. Pieces of paper. Other than the lovely little fridge things, you can see that they are, in fact, the same size. Okay, so one of them I'm going to divide into 2 bits. I'm going to divide them this direction and the back. Okay, so here we go. 2 sections. And I'm going to go ahead and use my yellow to outline a half here on my half. Okay, half! You can see my half is yellow. Okay, so now I'm going to put this one and divide it into 8 pieces. So now you can see here, I'm trying to figure out how many of my 8 pieces, 3 of 8 pieces, how many groups of 3 in this one fit in this half. So I'm going to go ahead and outline where a half is on my 8s in yellow so you can see. So now, good job. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to divide this whole thing up into groups of 3/8. So I'm going to go count every 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to draw a box around it. Okay, it's blue. Are in groups of 3. There's 2 of them with 2 left over normally. But in our 1/2 section, our yellow section here, I'm going to fill this all in. Okay, so I'm going to fold it in half so we can just see that half part. So here's the part we're worried about here. So we have 1, 2, 3, so that's one full section of our 3/8, right? With 1 left over. So what we should get, 1 out of how many make it this section? 1, 2, 3. So when we do our actual, so to make another full section, I'll show you what it is. Let's color that one in too. So you can see that it will be, 1 full one and 1 out of 3. So we should end up, when we do our full thing, finding out that 1/2 divided by 3/8 should give us 1 and 1/3. So we'll try it this way with our flip the reciprocal and multiply. Okay? So now hopefully that gives you a better idea of, what that means. Ta-da! Okay, let's flip our reciprocal and multiply. So 3/8 is our second. We're going to reciprocal it. It's just top and bottom. 1/2 divided by
or times t, and we flip our operand,
it becomes multiply. Okay, so 1/2 times 8/3. I'm going to go ahead and cross cancel because this is already such a long video.
So 8 can be divided by 2, we get 4, and 1 can be divided by 2, which we get 1.
And then we get 1 times 4/3. Yay, 4/3! So now we have 4/3. And we say, okay, there's one group of 3 with 1 left over. So 1 and 1/3 when that's reduced. Ah, 1 and 1/3. Guess what we got? We got 1 and 1/3. Okay, so hopefully that explains a little bit. I love you. Bye.